Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. I think we are on part 3 for December 2024. And if I'm not, then I am pretty bad. No, we're in part 5. So December part 5, 2024 STL file for D&D, Warhammer proxies and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. We're not going to look at the Patreon. We'll be looking at Loot Crate and My Mini Factory for today. All links for that will be down the bottom for you guys as well. So we got Beskar 3D print, and this will be your monthly. Should be a lot more than this. They got Lude and NSFW and so far as well. I don't know why. There's a lot of stuff in here. Here we go. We can go look at it. If it makes me go bigger, unavailable. Wow, that's not helpful. Let me see if we can look at some pictures of it. This is the NSFW one. Let me see if we can find a better version of it. Here's one. There we go. A lot better. So, yeah. So we got spider legs, looks like a ghost, chain, and I think these bottom would be good for Slanesh. Some of these proxies could be good for Night Hunt, for Age of Sigmar. But yeah, it'd be good for D&D as well for like cultist stuff for it. Fun service, we have miniatures. I think this was for last month. They usually like bring this out towards like the end of the month of what they're gonna bring out. But these are figures that's pretty good, especially this one. But yeah, big old biddies. And you got Vaporia and Tangela. I don't know what else. It doesn't looks like they post stuff, but yeah, you got some good figures for it. Fleshcraft Studio. For this one, looks like we got some demons. So it looks like we have some winged demons, and looks like this big thing could be Pylor or Gluttony. You could hang his head in. But it's probably good for like, probably for a Great Unclean One or something. You got these little demons popping out. Probably like a cultist or a necromancer summoner or a demonologist. That's actually pretty cool. Fleshcraft Studio. They got some actual good Nurgle stuff in the past. But yeah, let me see if I can pull out the good Nurgle stuff that they did. Um, hmm. I don't think they had it out. But anyhow, yeah, they got some good stuff for Nurgles if you're interested. A UNG miniature. So we got the stuff from Zinch's army. We got some undead and ghouls. And undead as well. I don't know about this one. This looks like a horror for tentacles and stuff. But yeah, Lovecraftian horror team. Yeah, if you're a big Lovecraftian like Cthulhu and stuff, or the Yellow King, it might be good for you as well. For December, we are getting for Gauze minis. We got some what you call it proxies for Warhammer 40k. So we got the Tau for Greater Good. There's a pin-up figure if you want to grab that as well. So we have a bat, Busty Bat, and we got the Sisters of Soritas as well if you're interested for that. The one that's a little. I think we already looked at the previous one for the Patreon, but you also do the Tribe and get a little bit better deal for that as well. We got Labyrinth model. So these will be it. Medusa, Fairy, a Gladiator or Roman Soldier, Skimpy Vampire, a Knight, and I think they have a big ass welcome pack as well if you're interested as well for that. Next one, 8-leg miniature. This is actually pretty good for, let's say, proxies for Warhammer 40k. I'm going to see if I got stuff loaded. Sometimes they show it, sometimes they don't. I don't know why they don't, but they do Warhammer minis. So yeah, a lot of them. A lot of them so far was Sister Sword Toss. I don't know. I know they've been doing the Grey Knights recently, so you might get some more Grey Knights for this guy. They're pretty good models. This is one of them. That's for the Chaos. Other than that, they're pretty good. Oh, there we go. It loaded. So we got some more Grey Knights. Looks like it. Biscar. We don't need that. This is November. This is the one of the orcs and goblins that they did. Very good prints. Moonlight minis. For Moonlight minis, we got Santa, Mrs. Santa. It looks like Yeti, Snow Fox, a gunslinger wearing gingerbread pants, and a Candy King gun, and probably the Witch Queen or the White Witch for it. Next is RN Studio. There's two different types. There's a tribe one, there's a patriot one. Two different models for them. And we got angels. Looks like we'll be getting this month. Lots of angels and big old biddies. Big old biddies. You gotta love big old biddies. I do like big old biddies, but that's just me. And they're gone, so they won't have that. What the hell did I deleted? Legends of Grimm. Okay, Legends of Grimm is gone. Magic. They do a lot of 40k for orcs. So a lot of orcs and nurgles as well. I don't know what they're having for this month. They actually like spread it out, but majority of the time we get orcs throughout them. I think we get something like nurgle, tornado and stuff. So you're going to have to go check their actual Patreon to see what they're releasing for December for 40k needs. But yeah, these are actually very good prints as well. Primal collectible. 100 minis for $10. Comes in the pack for D. This is like good for D&D stuff. I think this is for December. So you got gift primal mark. So if you need like some villains and heroes for your D&D games, this probably be good for you guys in many ways. They do like the old school style, like the Conan the Barbarian and so forth, the old artwork before the Arnold Schwarzenegger movie came out for it as well. We don't need another one of that. Okay, Studio Soul. I don't think they actually release a lot of stuff recently, but they do a lot of figures, not a lot of loot figures. If you're interested in that, check them out. Links will be down below. Comet Lord miniatures. So we have, fake Hydras. Oh yeah. Looks like Armored Angel, a Eldritch Evil. Looks kind of like Pyramid Head, Lion, Demon. Let's see what we have for this month. So Tribal release for December. So this is like more like Dark Souls and Elden Ring style miniature, dark and grim. So you can actually get some of these stuff and have like if you like do like dungeon crawl and stuff like that with your game, or use it for your Elden Ring games as well for your board game, and a D&D game for that as well. Next one is Artificer Minis. Sephira March Dragon. Then it's the monthly hero. I don't know if you can get more. Oh, there you go. December preview. So we got Dragon, Birkin Brute. Thor, we got some terrains, knights, storm, firestorm bell. That's actually pretty cool looking. We got some knights, and we got some dragonborn warcaster, and so forth. Hardwitch, another D&D style miniatures as well. They're doing more of a Christmas thing, so we got some frost giants. I think Thiefling, Spellcaster, Elves. The ladies are really good, especially these one as well. We got some Knights and a Spellcaster for them as well. I like that big, like those tree ant golems with stones sticking out of them. That's actually pretty neat. The Core of Silence. That's actually pretty good. Cyber Stash. People that are asking me about cyberpunk stuff, if you're interested, this might be it for $1 a month. Cyberpunk Stash. I think you'd be getting this ninja cyberpunk girl. I think it's a figure. I think also gonna make miniatures out of it as well. If you're interested, please go check them out. Anyhow, we haven't checked Loot Crate, but I think we'll do that for our next part video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.